Hello builders, this is Engineer Patrick, and in today's video, we will visit our previous canopy sites in order to assess its durability, sturdiness, and condition 1 year after its construction. So let's go!
Medyo mapuwing. Hello builders! So nandito tayo sa una nating site. So this is in Eton Centris. So ang in-install natin dito is a 6mm bronze solid polycarbonate sheet. Tara, let's walk through. So ngayon, sa commercial building tayo, mas exposed tayo dito sa weathering, sa heat, pati na rin sa rain and heavy winds. As you can see from Eton Centris, more than a year-old canopy system, ang mapapansin nyo lang dito is meron siyang konting dumi, may mga konting excrement ng ibon. Pero with regards to distortions like warping, yung shrinking ng mga polycarbonate panels natin, wala kang mapapansin na ganun. Yes, madali lang linisin ng polycarbonate. Actually, you can watch our video right here kung paano linisin ng mga polycarbonate roofing. Actually, sa ibang mga canopy systems, pwede naman yan kahit walang gutter. Pero, of course, kung walang gutter, walang sasalo ng tubig, diretso yung tubig dito. In this case, ang intention ng client natin is hindi bumagsak dito yung tubig. So, ang ginawa nila is yun nga, naglagay sila ng gutter system sa dulo ng canopy system. So actually, kung makapansin nyo, dito naka-redirect yung outlet natin from that gutter. So dito napupunta yung tubig from our canopy system. So builders, in conclusion, after more than a year, sa pagbalik natin ng Eton Centris, ito yung mga napansin natin. So una, durable pa rin siya. Pangalawa, still aesthetically pleasing, and overall, it still serves its purpose. So ngayon, tapos na tayo dito sa Eton Centris. So let's go sa ating next na destination. Good afternoon builders. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Aurora Suites in Pasay City. So hindi tayo nandito ngayon para makiparte. Nandito tayo ngayon para tingnan yung more than a year old nating canopy system. Ito ay in-install ng Polylite. Ang ginamit natin dito is solid polycarbonate sheet from Duralon. Tapos ang color niya is clear and ang thickness is 4.5 mm. Let's take a look. Yung common comments lang sa mga maintenance ng poly na laging linisin, lalo na to, yun, malapit sa highways, very prone sa dirt, sa dust. To maintain yung clarity ng polycarbonate panels natin, bukod sa proper installation, kailangan proper din yung maintenance natin. So dapat nalilinisan siya once in a while. So bukod sa curve siya, unusual din yung spacing niya. Sa mga ganitong framings, we can still use solid polycarbonate sheets. Pero we have to take note of the allowable bending radius of our sheet. So nakadepende yun sa thickness niya. So mas manipis yung polycarbonate sheet, mas applicable siya sa mga mas curved na surface. Medyo extreme yung bend ng framing natin. Kaya ang ginamit din dito is 4.5 mm na sheets.
So ayun builders, in conclusion, the canopy is still durable. As you can see, walang butas or umangat na mga panels. This follows na yung canopy natin was installed properly. As for the intended design naman, it was implemented properly by the installers. Actually nga, nagpagawa pa sila ng isa pang canopy doon sa kabila, both of which is still much very aesthetically pleasing. So overall, the canopy is still in great shape after a year.
So ayun builders, thank you sa pagsama sa amin dito sa aming vlog. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions regarding our products, you can message us in our Facebook page and other social media accounts. So ayun builders, tara, let's go!